This is for my lazy girls, my I can't install nothing girls, I don't want to do too much girls. Like, okay, look at this. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different than like nothing else on my channel. We are getting into the headband wig. Girl, it's a wig and you need it, like, period. I'm not even gonna front, you need it. This needs to be a staple in your house if you know how to do wigs, if you don't know how to do wigs, like, period. Like, this needs to be the wig that you want, because this is a go-to wig. It takes 2 seconds to install. I'm not kidding. 2 seconds, okay? It's the headband wig. It's the most genius invention ever. Like, look at. So if you want to know how I got this look, if you want to know what I'm talking about, why I'm so crazy about it, if you want to get into these edges, if you want to get into this headband wig, okay, get into it. So I'm gonna take my gel. It doesn't matter what type of gel you use. So I'm going to be taking my hair and just doing it like I would do a ponytail. So all I do this wig is the wig for edges, and I've found that when you're dealing with edges, it's just all about the crisp lines. Like, see this line right, like this line right here, but see, then I have to, you know. Okay, now I'm taking some edge control. I do my baby hair a few different ways. It just depends on how I'm feeling. So like the front, I could either do like a swoop like this. This has been my go-to, but what I used to do, what I think I'm gonna start going back to doing, is making a little curtain. I can make some baby hair art, okay? So just gonna make like a little, baby hair is truly an art form. And I can't tell you what I'm doing. I can only show you. Seriously. We're not done, don't worry. But I'll just, this is all part of the process. This is not finished, like, until I leave. But for this wig, you're gonna get a cap, and my hair is just like this. I'm personally not gonna use this big thing because I like mine to be as flat looking as possible. So what I do is just give me a little bit. Literally nothing is there, and I just put this on. And that's that. On that. Literally. Okay. So I'm gonna just put it on. It has a clip in the front, a clip in the, well, the clip in the front, and then a clip in the back, and it's just literally headband. Okay, it has two Velcro. I mean, it has these Velcro straps. Okay. So I take the comb and make sure I put it here in front of my wig cap, and then if you have someone that would be better to help you, I slapped this wig on my friend in like 2 seconds, you guys. Like, actually, it was more like 3-4 minutes. Like, and give it a little comb in the back. Okay. Now you can either tie this or do it, you know, with the Velcro. I tie it because I like mine to feel secure. But look at this. I'm already looking like, so you could either, this is what I do. I pull it all the way, like I fold it to the smallest possible. Like you can like, you know, adjust it to where you barely can even see it. And look, I'm about to go work out. Like, I can't, my thing is up there. But like, I look like I'm about to go work out. Like, I'm already done. If I want to leave it like this, if I want to run to the store, I can literally go like this. Like, huh? And I might be done with my edges. The trick to baby hairs is really the smoothing. Like with the finger, like, you know, you smooth it. This is just how I like my baby hairs, you guys. Don't have to do yours like this. I promise you don't, so relax. I try to make them like identical though. Hot. None. Okay. It's art, okay? Look at the curtains. Look how they fall. Well, this is the best part of the wig, really. I haven't even got into the wig. The curtains of my face. This is the show. You feel me? Okay? This is how I like my baby hair. When I wear, like, my real hair. Who gonna tell you this not your hair? Like, I don't know why my skin be doing that. Like, I don't know. Okay, that should. And for my edge control though, that does matter. I use True Edge. It looks like Edge Booster, but it's called True Edge. I also use Edge Booster sometimes, but this just does it for me. True Edge. So now, for the hair, beautiful hair. Like, so sometimes you can do whatever you need to be done, whatever needs to be done, you know. Like this. I actually don't want to put it up just because I don't feel like doing it right now. Look at this. Cute. Fire. How long did that take? Like, what wig installation do you know? I don't even have one of. Let's get a headband. So I have all these different headbands. But if you're like me and you work out a lot, I don't work out at all. But yeah, here, if you do work out, this is a great wig for you. It's literally like grab and go. Okay, and you can get it in any style. So people have been wearing these little headbands. Cute, right? So cute. Like, when I tell you guys, this is literally my like go-to wig. This wig is fire, right? It's so fire. Like, This is a great, honestly, this is a good invention to whoever this is. This is my favorite headband. Hey you guys, this is, you can put it up, you can do whatever you want. Like, if you don't have this, you actually need it. I'm all black right now, but you get the vibes. She is, what? Beautiful. And then the hair is spectacular. Like, you can just literally grab it and go. Like, yes, thank you Beauty Forever Hair for sending me this wig. I love her. Love it, love it, love the idea. I love it. So thank you everybody. So that wraps it up for that video. Get yourself a headband wig. Do yourself a favor. Get yourself a headband wig. It's the ladies, it's the lazy girl go-to. Like, you know, you put in a little effort and you get out a lot. You're not gonna find that too many other places. So thank you again, Beauty Forever Hair, for your patience, for your quality, for this. Okay, this is wonderful, beautiful. It's just like naturally is. Boys won't even know. Like, they won't even understand this concept. Okay, like, girl, this is my hair, period. Okay. So yes, thank you again, Beauty Forever Hair. Thank you guys for watching. Get yourself this wig. I'm gonna cut this video off so you can go do that. So I will see you on the next one.